What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota remote key fob. So this key fob is going to be for Toyota vehicles that do not have a push button start ignition. If your vehicle does have a push button start ignition, it'll take a different fob, and we'll cover that in a different video. But for this one, we are looking at the standard ignition. This key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032. And I'm going to be using a quarter to open it. If you don't have one of these handy, you can use a flathead screwdriver or something like this. This is just an easy way to do it. So if we look at the bottom of our key fob, we see this little notch right here. What I'm going to do is put that quarter in that notch and then just twist it like this. And as I do that, it pops it open a little bit. Then you can pull the back off the shell like that. And now we see our battery right here. Go ahead, pull your old battery out, grab the new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, like that. Then we can snap the back on, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.